afternoon, everyone. So the chapter which was going on yesterday, we will continue that only. Okay. And what is the name of the chapter? Actually, we are going ahead in the chapter related to grammar, and the name of the chapter is direct and indirect speech. This chapter is a little bit typical chapter, so it is a suggestion to you people, the students who are present today, that you should join the classes regularly. Fine. If you miss a class, then the next day you won't get what's going on in class. आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा अगर एक भी दिन की क्लास मिस कर दी आपने कि क्या चल रहा है क्लास में. Fine. So it is a suggestion to you people, you should join the classes regularly. Okay. So coming back to the point, what I was telling, actually what is the basic information that was given already to the students, that what is a direct speech and what is indirect speech. That was the basic information which we described, or which I explained in the first class. What is direct speech? When the actual words of the speaker are shown, when the actual words of the speaker are shown within the inverted commas, then it will be called direct speech. But you say, sometimes that's the words which is told by someone else, we change those words according to us, and we tell those words to someone else also, so that in that case we need, or we make indirect speech. Fine. So this was already told. Right now we are discussing how the direct speech sentences are changed into indirect speech. How we can change them. What is direct speech? I am just giving you an example again. As like I said, she says, comma, inverted comma, you are a good singer. Inverted comma, close. This is the example of direct speech. Why it is called direct speech? Because it is the actual words that is spoken by her. She is saying, she says, you are a good singer. So these are the actual words spoken by her. Fine. But if we speak like this, she says that I am a good singer. She says that I am a good singer. Now the words are changed according to the speaker who is telling us now. मैंने आपको बोला, उसने आपको बोला कि आप एक अच्छे सिंगर हो. अब आप ये बात जब किसी और को बता रहे हो, तो आप ये बताओगे कि वो ऐसा कहती है कि मैं एक अच्छा सिंगर हूँ. Fine. Means this you will be changed. This with I. Means कैसे चेंज करते हैं. Now we should concentrate how these things are changed in a sentence. How these things are changed in indirect speech. Fine. So I told you that day also that three kinds of changes. Three changes are done. Three changes are done while changing a direct speech sentence into indirect speech. First kind of change we have talked about, that is pronouns change. Second kind of change is tenses change. Third kind of change is words and expressions change. Expressions change. And we have already discussed how the pronouns changes are done. Right now we are discussing how the changes of how the changes in tenses will be done. Fine. So what happened?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Changes of tenses. Right now we will discuss how the tenses of change are done in direct speech, in direct and indirect speech. How the changes, how the tenses are changed when we are changing the direct speech sentences into indirect speech. See, if I say simple present is changed into simple past. Simple present is changed into simple past. So what is the identification of simple present? Means verb's third form, verb's first form. And what is the identification of simple past? Verb's
Third form.
second form. Second form. Again we are taking an example as like my sister said, comma, inverted comma, I go for morning walk. Fine. This is the sentence of concentrate on go. Concentrate on go. Go is first form or second form or third form? Which form of verb it is?
The first form.
First form. It means it is a sentence of simple present. Fine. So we have to change it according to the rule that is written, and that is simple past. We will change this according to the rule that is written. Fine. So we will change it. My sister said and when we remove comma, inverted commas, to remove comma, inverted commas, we use that. My sister said that I means, see, I told you about the changes of pronoun. Pronoun का changes मैंने आपको बताया था. S-O-N upon 1, 2, 3. Subject will be changed according to first person pronoun will be changed according to subject. So it is the first person pronoun. I is first person pronoun. I, my, me, we, our, us. These are the first person pronoun. Now I will be changed according to the word, according to the doer, according to the subject. So we are changing. My sister said that she. Fine. Now simple present will be changed into simple past. Means first form will be changed into second form. And what is the second form of go?
Went.
Went is the second form of go. She went for morning walk. Got it? Any confusion? हाँ जी. Any confusion?
मैं ठीक है आया.
She. Why we are using she?
Yes, ma'am.
आप एक बात सोचिए. एक सेकेंड. I told you first form, first person pronoun. First person pronoun will be changed according to the subject. What is subject?
Yes, ma'am.
What is subject? The person who is doing the work or who is speaking something, that will be called subject or not? बताइए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, is it first person pronoun or not? I. Do you know
Ma'am,
what
first person
is
है.
first person pronoun? First person pronoun. First person pronoun. I, my,
we,
me, we, are, us. ये जो सारे हैं ये फर्स्ट पर्सन में आएंगे. देन सेकेंड, इफ यू आर सेइंग you and your.
you.
Fine. Then third person, he,
He,
she, he, it,
it,
name,
name,
और
they.
अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं her, his, and you can say him, they, them. फाइन, ये सारी चीजें थर्ड पर्सन में आएंगे. तो यहाँ पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट कीजिए. कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर. दिस इज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. इट विल बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. एंड हु इज द सब्जेक्ट? माय सिस्टर इज सेइंग समथिंग. इट मींस माय सिस्टर इज द सब्जेक्ट. और माय सिस्टर जो है गर्ल है. सिस्टर जो है गर्ल है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग शी हियर. हैव यू गॉट इट और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
said that she went for morning walk. कि वो जाती है. You are saying my sister said. My sister said मतलब मेरी सिस्टर ने बोला कि वो मॉर्निंग वॉक पर जाती है. Fine. Are you getting? Are you getting or not? We are moving to the next. That is again we are having changes of tenses only. Changes of tenses. This was the thing which we have described only just 1 minute ago. That was related to simple present. Now we are moving to the next tense, and that is present continuous. Is changed into past continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. See, if I am saying my father said, comma, inverted comma, I am doing my work. Here we are using am doing. Means this is the identification that we are using. Which tense? Present continuous.
Present continuous.
This is the identification. Is MR plus action ing is the identification of present continuous. Now here we have written present continuous is changed into past continuous. So we are changing them that again. My father said. My father said. Comma, inverted comma will be changed into. Yes.
That.
Comma, inverted commas are removed while changing the sentence, while changing the direct speech into indirect speech. We remove inverted commas and we use that. Fine.
That.
My sister said that I. Again we are having I. I is the first person. I अगर my father के according change होगा तो what will we write? He. He was doing. Or
My work.
He was doing my work. He was doing his work.
His work.
हाँ जी. For each and every word, you have to concentrate on each and every word. अब यही समझ लीजिए. One more example we are taking with it. My father said, comma, inverted comma. Shweta. Just a second. Shweta is doing her work. Fine. Now see. We are changing it now. My father said. Comma, inverted comma will be removed again. And we will use that at its place. Now see. What is Shweta? Is it first person pronoun? Is it second person pronoun? Or is it third person pronoun? What person pronoun it is?
Third person.
Third person pronoun, because we have written this third person pronoun means name. Name comes in third person pronoun. And see, this 1, 2, 3. Third person pronoun means no change. Third person pronoun. Whenever we are having third person pronoun in our sentence, we do not change it at all. So Shweta will be Shweta only. Fine. Shweta is doing will be changed into present continuous is past. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. देखिए यहाँ पर हमने बात की pronoun change नहीं होगा. Pronoun will not be changed because it is third person pronoun. That's why we are not changing Shweta. It doesn't mean कि आपका tenses का change भी नहीं होगा. आपको concentrate करना है. बाकी सारे changes तो होंगे इसमें. Fine. We are not. Shweta will be Shweta only. But is doing will be was doing. Was doing. And her. Shweta, it belongs to Shweta. That's why we are using her work only. Have you got it or not? Yes? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Nobody else is there in our class. Next thing, we are moving to the next tense now. Yes, we are moving to the next tense, and that is present perfect. Present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. First we will see what is the identification of present perfect tense. So we are writing a direct speech sentence on the board. Fine. And like you are saying, they said comma inverted comma, or you can say एक मिनट और लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. They said to me, comma inverted comma, we have taken our lunch. Fine. This is the sentence. See, now we are changing it into indirect speech. Fine. So said to is changed. See, when we are having said, it doesn't change. Said will be said. But if we are having said to, then it is changed into told. Fine. So we are using they told me. टोल्ड के साथ टू नहीं आता कभी भी, ये ध्यान रखना. टोल्ड के साथ टू नहीं आता है. सेड टू को पूरे को टोल्ड में चेंज कर रहे हैं हम. दे टोल्ड मी, कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा विल बी चेंज इनटू दैट. दे सेड मी दैट. नाउ वी, concentrate on we. Which person pronoun it is?
First person.
First person pronoun. We will be changed into subject, and who is the subject here?
They.
They is the subject. So they told me that they. Fine. Now present perfect. What is the identification of present perfect? Has, have plus third form. Has, have plus third form. And what is the identification of past perfect? Had plus third form. So we have done this. We is changed into they. Have taken will be changed into had taken. Had taken. Now see, are will be changed into are. वहाँ पर देखिए, I, my, me, we, are, us. Are is again first person pronoun. It will again be changed into according to they. Sorry. So what it will become?
Them.
Their lunch. देखिए, we से related are, I से related my. Fine. They से related their. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So they have, तो their lunch होगा ना? आई बात समझ में? Are you getting my point? What I want to make you understand? हाँ जी. Yes, beta.
मैम
Tell
दे
me.
का देम होता है ना.
They, for they we use there, but when it becomes object, अभी तो ये subject है. They are doing, they are taking their lunch. So they are doing the subject, they are doing their work. So we are using their. But when something is done to them, then when they becomes object, then it becomes them. Okay, but this is not right now. So the things which I wanted to make you understand right in today's class, have you got this or not? Hanji,
Yes ma'am, we got.
two kinds of change we have discussed today. However, it is left. These changes of tenses are still left. Fine, we will cover or we will continue this in tomorrow's class. First thing, I am just summarizing this today's topic. Fine. First thing, first change we have discussed in today's class, that was changes of pronoun. Changes of pronoun means first person pronoun is always changed according to the subject of the sentence. Who is the subject? What is the subject? The person or the thing that is doing the work or that is speaking something, that is called subject. Second person pronoun is changed according to the object. Object means the person or the thing that is receiving that work, that will be called object. Third person pronoun, no change, it doesn't change. Then we talked about the changes of tenses. Simple present is changed into simple past, that we have discussed already. Means first form of verb is changed into second form of verb. Then second thing we have discussed, present continuous is changed into past continuous. Means is am are action ing is changed into was were action ing. Then we discussed present perfect is changed into past perfect. Means has have plus third form is changed into had plus third form. This much we have discussed in today's class. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me right now. Otherwise we are winding up our today's section. Hanji. So we are winding up today's class. Fine. Bye bye all of you.